Perfect conditions for rugby in Dublin today. Scotland had a general session at the Blackrock grounds in Stradbrook, which lasted over an hour. There's a lot of pressure on Richard Cram, who comes in at out-half in place of the talented John Rutherford. But Rutherford himself says Cram is underrated and should play well. Substitute 22 times, Gary Callander takes over from Colin Deans as hooker and also captains the side. Damien Cronin, who has Irish connections, will add height to the pack.
I think it'll be a very good match. I think there are two very good back divisions there in opposition, and I'm hopeful that the weather will stay like this. I think the Scots are a bit concerned perhaps that they don't have a John Rutherford, but I think also that perhaps too many people have based their ideas on that, whereas Richard Cram, who comes in for him, is a very good footballer indeed, and I think that he'll settle down very well. There are 14 of the World Cup party in this Scottish side. They're full of confidence, they're well prepared, and I think they'll make it.
The Irish trained at the Terenure grounds. Tomorrow's game will be their first under new coach Jim Davidson.
The side I found that I inherited from Mick Doyle was one that had a philosophy of attack from all positions, and it was a great philosophy to inherit. But there was, I felt, a certain need to build on the ball-winning capacity of the forwards. So we spent a lot of work on technical work, scrummaging, line-out play, in particular rucks and mauls, to provide good quality ball. Their last three sessions, the last three outings have been very productive. They've come together well, confidence is high, their commitment is excellent. I'm very confident, yes.
I hope it will be a bright open game, and if it is, I'm sure that the Irish backs will see at long last produce the sort of football that they produced in '85, and I would expect an Irish win. I don't know if you'd agree, Bill?
No, I don't agree, but we never did agree, have we?